And you can see all around this atrium here, it's freshly produced vegetables. Really cool. Alright, so that was our hike earlier. Now we're gonna go and pick our strawberries at the Big Red Strawberry Farm. She's very excited to pick her strawberries. We've been waiting for quite a bit, a long while. Yeah. So here, the big farm, big red strawberry farm, they also do grow like lettuce, cabbage, butter heads and whatever vegetables they have. And you can see all around this atrium here, it's freshly produced vegetables. Now we are going to pick the strawberries. Give you like they give you a plate for you to get, and then get the scissors to cut the stems off. I guess there's like a proper way of getting the strawberries, so let's just go and pick the strawberries now. See, right? The strawberries come from a flower, something like that. It blooms out of the flower. Something to learn about nature right here. It's pretty cool. Okay, thank you for the strawberries. So that comes to the end of the strawberry picking, and then we are leaving Cameron Highlands and we're gonna head down to Port Dickson. So it's not mountain area, so we're going to see the sea this time. Yeah! So let's go!